Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Willem van Oranje, the ancestor of the monarchy of the Netherlands. The correct pronunciation is Willem van Oranje. Willem van Oranje. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the first and second name. Willem van Oranje. WIL-LEM van O-ranje. Willem van Oranje. Willem van Oranje led the revolt against the Spanish Habsburgers, which eventually led to the independence of the United Provinces, later the Kingdom of the Netherlands. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!